بسم اللہ الرحمن الرحیم. میں بولا پردیسی آپ کا میزبان. آج میں بولوں گا اور آپ سب سنیں گے. Yes.
Hi, I'm Brianna, and I'm in charge today.
Mm-hmm.
So is it okay if we move you into the hallway bed? I was told you're going to get picked up around 8, but we do have another patient coming. That
Okay, no problem. But she told me the nurse coming if I take out this one.
Yeah.
This one. Yeah.
Yeah, they'll probably do that a little bit later.
Okay.
But we'll still get you set up in the hallway.
Make sure it changes before you leave.
Pardon?
Make sure it change. You need the clothes because it's gonna leave.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Do you have clothes from home?
I don't have right now. My family is coming. Bring. I said no problem.
Yeah.
Don't
Okay.
worry.
Okay. That's okay. That's
Then
Yeah,
you
okay.
can just use the shower.
Yeah.
Maybe my daughter coming around. Maybe that time have rush hour.
Yeah.
My daughter.
It takes time.
I'm leaving for Surrey.
Yeah.
But don't worry. Where you move, no problem. I'm no need for the bed. I have a lot of their friends too. I'm going there stay, no problem.
Oh.
Don't worry for the bread, okay?
Well, no, it's okay. There's a
Out
bed.
here.
It's
Huh?
it's just right
All the way.
there. Yeah.
Okay.
Just so you can just sit and relax. There's no rush to get you out of here. Your daughter can take her time. We just have another patient coming.
Okay, no problem.
Okay, so Vivian's
So
gonna
do you
help.
have stuff?
Oh no, shop only have like that.
And the
And
flowers?
one flower. One have this one for the blowing. That's
Oh,
it. Nothing. No have too much.
belongings.
Oh, okay.
I don't think you have belongings.
Okay.
Yeah. Yes.
How is that? This is
Yes.
for you.
Okay.
Wait.
What is this?
Wait.
Sweet.
So banana each. It's a banana.
Okay. یہ بھی فوڈ والی چھوٹا سا پیس جو ہے بنانا کا دے گئی ہے. تو یہ سمجھ لیں کہ میری لاسٹ سویٹ ڈش ہے جو ہاسپٹل والوں نے مجھے یہ اب دی ہے. اور ابھی فارمیسی والا آئے گا تو وہ مجھے میڈیکیشن کے بارے میں وہ بتائے گا, کیونکہ آج انہوں نے فیصلہ کر لیا ہے کہ مجھے بسم اللہ الرحمن الرحیم مجھے انہوں نے آج ریلیو کرنا ہی کرنا ہے, کیونکہ ایک اور پیشنٹ آ گیا تو انہیں روم بھی چاہیے. تو فیملی کو بھی میں نے بول دیا ہے کہ مجھے پک کرنے کے لیے آ جائیں. تو جیسے جیسے پروسیس آگے چلتا جائے گا میں آپ کو بتاتا جاؤں گا. اللہ کا بہت شکر ہے, کرم ہے. بیٹر دن بیفور طبیعت میری بہت اچھی ہے. اللہ نے بہت کرم کیا, مجھے دوبارہ تندرستی عطا فرمائی ہے اور آخرت کی تیاری کرنے کے لیے اللہ پاک نے مجھے وقت دیا ہے. تو گھر جا کر آپ کے ساتھ پھر تفصیل بات کروں گا. تو یہاں سے جیسے جیسے میں ہاسپٹل سے نکلوں گا ان کی ریکوائرمنٹ کے مطابق, تو ظاہر پیپر ورک بھی پورا کرنا ہے. تو جب ریلیو کریں گے تو مجھ سے سائن بھی کروائیں گے, باقی میڈیسن کے بارے میں بتائیں گے. تو باقی دیکھیں آگے جو اللہ کو منظور ہے.
Your list
Okay.
for the medications.
Okay.
And so the names of the medications in the first column here,
Okay.
the directions are here,
Okay.
and then a rough schedule for when to take the medications.
Okay.
So morning time, dinner time, and then before you go to bed.
Now, this one medicine, how many day I take?
Ongoing.
Ongoing whole life?
Not necessarily the whole life.
Maybe some have maybe 5 days after finish. Maybe aspirin, maybe you take a whole life, every
Yeah.
day.
Yep, you're
Or
right.
other one have a sugar. medicine take every day and cholesterol take every day, right?
Yep, you got it.
Other one maybe 4 or 5 days finish, no?
No, looking like a couple of months at least.
Couple months?
At least. Minimum. Okay? I'll walk you through it one by one, okay? So the first one here is rosuvastatin, 40 milligrams once a day. That's the same as you were taking at home. That's the cholesterol medication.
Yeah, every day.
Every day, yeah. So that's ongoing. The second one here, this is aspirin.
Okay.
So aspirin, 81 milligrams.
Okay.
One a day, as you were before. And that's again ongoing.
This one has the aspirin is the baby aspirin, right?
That's correct, yeah. Yeah, so that's ongoing as well, okay?
Okay.
This next one here is metoprolol. This is new for you. 12.5 milligrams twice a day. So 12.5 in the morning, 12.5 at night. So this will end up being half of a tablet and half of a tablet.
I don't have anything for this list diabetes medicine, no, huh?
Later.
Okay.
So this one, half tablet in the morning, half tablet at night, and that's new for you, okay?
Okay.
This is what we call a beta blocker.
Okay.
And what a beta blocker does is it slows down your heart rate.
Okay.
So after heart surgery, the heart rate can be quite fast.
Okay.
So we use this to slow it down.
Okay.
We expect you to be on this for the next minimum, at least the next 2-3 months.
Okay.
And then afterwards, your cardiologist can decide on if they want to continue on it for longer or not. Okay. The next one, also new for you. This one is called amlodipine.
Okay.
2.5 milligrams once a day.
Okay.
And this one, we only want you to take it for 6 months.
Okay.
So this one, what happened is we took a blood vessel from your arm to do the bypass.
Okay.
And for the first 6 months, there's a slightly higher chance for muscle spasms to happen. So with this medication, it seems to lower the chances of the muscle spasms. Okay. So after 6 months, if everything's looking good, then you can stop it. Okay. We do say avoid grapefruit. So grapefruit can increase the amount of drug in your body.
Okay.
So we say avoid grapefruit while you're taking this. Okay. Both of these can lower your blood pressure a little bit.
Okay.
So watch out for feeling dizzy or lightheaded.
Okay.
Okay. If that becomes a problem, talk to your doctor about it.
Okay.
Okay. Your glycoside, which is one of the diabetes medications you were taking at home.
Yeah.
You recognize that one?
Yeah. Already, my specialist, doctor, come.
Yeah.
Maybe advice for this medicine.
Okay. So this one, we changed the dose. It's the same medication, but we changed the dose. Okay. We want you to now take 90 milligrams once a day.
Okay.
So that should be 3 tablets once a day. Okay. And then the last one here is the Synjardy.
Okay.
Also same as before.
Okay.
1 in the morning, 1 at dinner time.
Okay.
So your home medications are the same, except for this one where we changed the dose a little bit.
Okay.
And then 2 new ones.
Okay.
Okay. Any questions so far about this?
No, this okay. But my daughter is coming after maybe you still here? Maybe you gone?
No, I'm gone after you. After this, I'm gone.
Okay, I already have a list there.
Everything.
She's maybe already understand for the Medicare. Already have she doctor. Maybe don't worry. But I told she's check this one. You already sent the Costco.
Yeah, I sent it to Costco. Yeah.
Costco. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, I take there. I'm going tomorrow. I take there the Costco this medicine.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. So underneath here, this is as needed medication. So only take if you need to.
Okay.
If you don't need to, you don't have to take.
Okay.
The first one is just regular Tylenol.
Okay.
1 to 2 tablets every 4 hours if you need to for pain from the surgery.
Okay.
No maximum, no more than 4,000 milligrams.
Okay.
Which is 12 tablets in 1 day.
Okay.
That's the maximum.
Okay.
But if you don't need to take it all, then you don't have to take. But if you need it for pain, you can take it for pain. Okay. This next one, this one's called quetiapine.
Okay.
Half to 1 tablet at bedtime if you need it for sleep.
Okay.
If you can go home and sleep just fine with nothing, then that's great.
Okay.
But if you have lots of trouble, then you can try half to 1 tablet.
Okay.
Okay. Your morning medications will be done by the time you go home.
Okay.
So you just have to take the bedtime ones when you go home.
Okay.
Okay. So you have the cholesterol medication already.
Okay.
So that's fine.
Okay.
This one
Okay.
is the nighttime metoprolol.
Okay.
Do you see? It says.
Okay.
So today is the 22nd.
Okay.
So today is bedtime.
Okay.
And then this is tomorrow morning.
Okay.
So just the two new ones, okay?
Okay.
The other one, like this metoprolol and this
Okay.
amlodipine,
Okay.
those are there. But the other ones that you have at home, just take them
Okay.
with your own supply, okay?
Okay. Thank you, sir. Have a
Yeah.
nice day. Thank you for cooperate.
Okay.
Yeah.
Any questions about
No.
that?
I am living with family, you know.
Oh, okay.
All my children and
Oh,
grandchildren.
Grandchildren? Oh my.
Together, yes.
You look too young to have grandchildren.
You're right.
Oh my. Let me see. Just breathe normally for now.
Okay.
Okay, and can you kind of roll over a bit or sit up a
Okay.
bit? It's up to you.
Okay.
Okay, do some deep breathing. Okay, and maybe just,
Other side?
again, yep. That, and do some deep breathing for me. Okay, not too bad at all.
Thank
That
you.
sound pretty good.
Yeah.
Let me go get a blade. I think we can
Okay.
remove these wires.
Okay.
After I take these out, you'll need to be in bed for about 30 minutes.
Okay.
Just for the nurse to monitor your blood pressures.
Okay.
But, yeah, other than that, I don't see why you can't go home today. Everything looks great. Blood pressure looks great. Blood work looks great.
Yeah. What time decide for the doctor, you know? Not decide for the nurse. Doctors decide for the what time
Oh,
discharge.
I get to decide.
But I hope so. I thinking maybe tomorrow. Yeah.
I feel like
But
today
maybe
is good.
today maybe 50-50.
I feel today
Okay.
is pretty
Okay,
good. Yeah.
I agree with you.
Yeah.
Don't worry, I
Oh.
agree with you. Hope to you.
What was keeping you up at night? Was it dreams or noise?
No,
or...
nothing. I don't see any dream. No.
No? Okay. Okay.
Say,
Yeah. So let me take these out, but I think
Okay.
barring that,
Okay.
we're pretty much ready to.
Okay.
Yeah. I think you'll sleep better at home actually.
Okay,
Have
up
you
to
had
you.
have you had a good poo?
Yeah,
Okay.
yesterday.
And peeing is going okay?
Oh, everything okay, no
Okay.
problem.
So
Yeah.
let me get some scissors,
Okay,
and then we'll take those wires out, and
Okay.
I'll talk to your nurses, but I think
Okay.
we're okay.
okay, thank you.
No problem.
अभी जो आई थी ये डॉक्टर थी और अभी ये जो मेरे चेस्ट के ऊपर स्टेचेस या टांके लगे हुए हैं उनको ये निकालेगी। तो उसने तो यही एडवाइस दी है कि आपको आज जो है हम डिस्चार्ज कर देंगे। तो मैंने उसको कहा कि अप टू यू, better than me. आप देखें, मुझे लगता है कि शाम तक वो मुझे डिस्चार्ज कर देंगे। तो वो तो यही कह रही थी कि have to go 2 nights sleeping home bed. I tell him what is, yeah, you decide. No, decide for the nurses. Doctor decide what is the condition right now my health. तो अब वो गई है, जो स्टिचेस उसने निकालने हैं, साथ एक नर्स को लेके आएगी। तो दोनों मिलके जो है मेरे जो चेस्ट के ऊपर स्टिचेस लगे हुए हैं तो उनको वो ये निकालें گے تو باقی کا میں بات کو آپ کو بتاؤں گا. ابھی میری ڈاکٹر آ چکی ہے.
Can I check your blood sugars here?
You come this side.
Oh, okay. Did you get wires taken out just
Yeah,
now?
yeah.
Okay. Feeling okay?
Yeah, it's
Good.
coming for the lady doctor. Take
Good.
the wire.
Oh, excellent. How's your pain?
No, sometime I'm going to out the bed.
Yeah.
Come inside bed. This feeling sometime maybe 0 point.
Okay.
Yeah,
Just a little bit.
yeah.
I'll grab some Tylenol for you.
Okay.
Can we get on a pinch?
Okay, yeah.
What time did they take the wires out?
Yeah, maybe 1 hour ago.
1 hour ago?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, sugar 12.7. A little
Okay.
bit high.
Okay.
So you'll have a little bit of insulin, I believe.
Okay. Thank you.
Let's see, 1 hour ago.
Yeah.
Oh, 11:30.
The blood pressure is done, eh?
11:30. Yeah, it's done. So we'll stop this.
Blood pressure normal.
Yes, it's normal.
Okay.
11:30. Okay, good. I'll take this off. You're okay to
Okay.
sit up and get up now, okay?
Okay.
And then I'll come back to give you your
Okay.
insulin, okay?
Okay, no problem. Thank you. Have a
Yeah.
nice day.
Yes.
ابھی نرس آئی تھی اور یہ بلڈ چیک کی ہے, شوگر چیک کی ہے. شوگر جو ہے 12.7 ہے اور بلڈ پریشر جو ہے وہ نارمل ہے. تو ابھی مجھے میڈیسن دے گی, اس کے بعد لنچ کا ٹائم ہو جائے گا, تو باقی ہم پھر آپ کو بتائیں گے. یہ دیکھیں آج میرا ہاسپٹل میں لاسٹ ڈے ہے اور یہ دیکھیں رائس ہیں, ویجی میٹ بولز ہیں, آج یہ کنٹینر کے اندر گریپس ہیں اور وہ آپ کو کڈنی ٹیب جو ہے یا حلوہ ٹیب آپ کہہ سکتے ہیں, وہ اس کے اندر نظر آ رہا ہے. اس کے اندر یہ بلیک کنٹینر کے اندر ٹی ہے. یہ دیکھیں, تو میں فیملی کا ویٹ کر رہا ہوں, تو جب فیملی آتی ہے تو پھر ہم اپنے گھر کی طرف چلیں گے. تو اب میں تھوڑا سا کھاتا ہوں, وہ بھی آپ کو دکھاتا ہوں. یہ میرا ہاسپٹل کے اندر لاسٹ, اور میرا انہوں نے فیملی ہی کی طرح خیال رکھا. دوسرے لفظوں میں یہ بھی کہہ سکتا ہوں, ہو سکتا کہ گھر میں میرا اتنا خیال نہ رکھا جاتا جتنا یہاں پہ رکھا گیا. اگر آدمی یہ کہے کہ نہیں جی بھی ان کو پیسے ملتے ہیں فلانا تھا, بھائی پیسے تو سب کو ملتے ہیں, ہم بھی جہاں کام کرتے ہیں پیسے ملتے ہیں. ان کے اندر میں نے دیکھا انسانیت ہے, اور پیسے لے کر بھی یہ اپنے کام کے ساتھ انصاف کرتے ہیں اور حق کے پیسے لے کر جاتے ہیں.